It's another rainy day. Looking at the rain from my balcony makes me feel so relaxed. The gentle sound of raindrops is calming like a soft melody. But the thunder, it's loud and a bit scary. Still, there's something comforting about watching the rain. With the rain still falling outside, I came to the kitchen. Today, I'm making a pineapple gâteau cake. I already baked a butter cake yesterday, so now it's time to make it special. I start by cutting fresh pineapple. The sweet smell fills the kitchen. Peeling a pineapple takes quite some time, but it's worth the effort. I actually learned how to peel a pineapple properly when I was in grade 5. Our school teacher taught us during a school activity where we were preparing a fruit salad. It's a skill that has stuck with me ever since. Making moments like this feel nostalgic and special. In a saucepan, I mix in the chopped pineapple pieces, water, sugar, a pinch of salt and a few cloves. I let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. I also like to add a few drops of yellow coloring to bring back the vibrant color of the pineapple. Once it's ready, I separate the stewed pineapple into a separate bowl and keep the pineapple water, the syrup, for later use. This syrup will add a delightful sweetness to our cake. This is my first time making pineapple gâteau, so I'm keeping it simple. For the whipped cream, I'm just using heavy cream and icing sugar. It's easy to make and will perfectly complement the sweet pineapple flavors in the cake. The whipped cream is almost ready. And don't forget to whip it over ice cold water for the perfect consistency. This little trick makes the cream extra light and fluffy, just right for our pineapple gâteau. Let's assemble the cake. I start by cutting my cake in half. Using a fork, I poke holes in the cake to help it absorb the pineapple syrup. Then I generously layer on the whipped cream and the stewed pineapple pieces. The combination of flavors is going to be amazing. For the top layer, I do the same. I add pineapple syrup to soak the cake, then spread a thick layer of whipped cream and top it with more stewed pineapple pieces. The cake is really coming together now, isn't it? Now let's leave the cake in the fridge for a few hours to set properly. The light rain and winds are still going outside, but it's time for me to head to the gym. Today is my upper body strength training day. Have you worked out today? Normally, I try to do strength training 3 times a week. These days, my goal is to reduce my weight a little. Due to some health condition, I gained a few kilograms over the past couple of months. And now I'm working on bringing back my normal weight. I usually work out for an hour, starting with a warm-up and then moving on to the main workout. Today, I'm focusing on strength training using both my body weight and dumbbells. The pool view from the gym gives me energy to finish my workout strong. There's something about the serene blue water that motivates me to push through and give it my all. After a nice bath, the cold rainy weather outside makes me crave a nice cup of tea. And now it's time to enjoy the pineapple gâteau. I like to pair it with a cup of peppermint tea. The refreshing taste of the tea complements the sweet and tangy flavors of the cake perfectly. It's the ultimate treat to end a cozy rainy day. It's almost around 7 o'clock and this is how I spend my evening. Now I'm going to enjoy my pineapple gâteau and peppermint tea on my balcony for a while. As the evening draws to a close, I'm reminded of the simple joys that make life special. The warmth of homemade cake, the soothing sound of rain, and the comfort of a quiet moment to unwind. Thank you for joining me on this journey through my rainy day. Until next time, take care and stay cozy.